Is your at-home nail salon a mess? Let a professional organizer help you file away your worries. Hey there, nail enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the art of organizing your manicure supplies at home. Whether you're a polished pro or a press-on aficionado, keeping your tools in order is key to nailing that perfect manicure. Let's get started with some tips that will have you saying, OMG. First up, let's talk about sorting and decluttering. Gather all your supplies, including dip powder, at-home no-chip sets, press-ons, regular polish, and tools. Say bye-bye to any expired or unused products. Trust me, this step will polish up your organizing game. Next, invest in storage solutions that make your heart skip a beat. Clear containers or jars are perfect for storing smaller items like nail art supplies. Consider a kit that can be easily carried so you can nail that mani anywhere. And remember, keep your supplies out of direct sunlight to prevent them from losing their shine. Designate a spot in your home where you use your nail supplies the most. Whether it's a corner of your vanity, a spot in your linen area, or your living room, keeping it close will make it easy to grab your supplies whenever the nail art inspiration strikes. Last but not least, maintain your supplies regularly to keep your manicure station fresh. Put things back in their designated places after each use. This will prevent clutter from creeping in and keep your station looking, nailed it, ready. And there you have it, the key to organizing your manicure supplies at home. With these tips, you'll be able to create a space that's as flawless as your nail art. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials, and until next time, happy manicuring! Here at Mission to Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. We also feature monthly blogs on our website and mind-blowing hacks on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. From home organizing to move management and more, M2O has your back. We'll see you next time right here on M2O TV. Bye! Next, invest in storage solutions that make your heart skip a beat. Consider a kit that can be easily carried so you can nail that. Next, invest. This is the wrong script. Well, that went well, Caitlin. You know what? I think we nailed it.